Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Volkswagen Jetta four-door sedan. This system comprises three main components. So it's got the Evo clamp foot pack, and then the WingBar Evo Load Bars, available in either silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which makes these components fit this Jetta perfectly. So let me show you up close some of the key features and design of the system. Here you have one of four of the metal rubberized door frame brackets, and then one of four of the rubber base pads. So those interface with the foot pack. You would simply take off the outer cover, and then the door frame bracket presses in and clicks to connect into the foot. On the underside, you have a base, and your rubber just presses around the perimeter of that base. Now, the door frame bracket and the rubber both have numbers assigned. Those numbers correspond to the numbers that are found on the instruction sheet, indicating exactly their position on the vehicle. Next, I'll show you the WingBar Evo Load Bar. Here we have a section of it and a cutaway in order to show the box beam construction, which provides a very stiff design. Also, there's a dedicated slot. That slot is accessible from the end cap in order to attach certain T-track accessible carriers, such as bicycle carriers or ski carriers, directly into the bar. And that does not require the cutting of the rubber, since the rubber is split down the middle. It just accommodates the hardware. So this bar provides excellent aerodynamics and overall excellent rigidity. Also on the underside, the slot here is where the foot will attach, and the attachment point is determined by the sliding plastic scale here, which also has numbers, and those numbers again correspond with numbers assigned to it in the manual. Let's go ahead and take off the end cap and insert the foot. So to insert the foot, you'll notice there are these silver tabs, and you just press the silver tab, which will allow for the bar to slide into the end of the slot. And here I'll align it with the sliding scale. Next, you'll notice there is an exposed area. Now, to minimize wind drag and wind noise, Thule provides rubber to insert into that space to maintain its good aerodynamics. And then we'll go ahead and just press in our end cap back into place again. Now, you have the fastener through that center hole there that you would tighten with the included tool. And this tool has a special clutch mechanism built into the handle, which as you get to the final tightness, it will click, indicating it's fully tightened to the proper torque. You can remove that, and then the cover engages back where it was, and you just give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder, and here's an example of a Thule lock cylinder that takes the place of the plastic plug, giving you an actual keyed lock mechanism for the best possible theft deterrent for this roof rack system. Now, this is a one-key system, meaning not only can all four of your feet be key matched, but also you can have your lock cylinders key matched to the entire roof rack system and other Thule lockable accessories, part of Thule's one-key system. Okay, so those are all the basic features of this system. To learn more about this system, please see the link in this video description to go over this system in detail and give you purchasing options for this in either silver or black. Also, if you want a more in-depth information on the installation of this, we have a separate video that actually shows this being installed onto a vehicle. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Volkswagen Jetta. I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and thanks for watching.